I'm Karina Rabin. I'm 44 years old. The number one reason women struggle is they never eat enough protein. So today I'd like to show you how I make fish. You're gonna be one of those people and say, I'm allergic to fish. I hate fish. Protein is any animal. Chicken, beef, turkey, ground chicken. Any animal, eggs, any animal is protein. You who are vegan or plant-based, any plant foods such as broccoli, quinoa, brown rice, spinach, sweet potato also has protein. Beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, etc. Today I'm going to show you how I make white fish. This is tilapia and this is mahi-mahi. I put a tablespoon of avocado oil. Then I take a brush, dab, 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 and spread it on my fish. Dab, dab. You're gonna coat a little bit on each side. I'm using tequila lime seasoning that is by Feast Mode, and it is Feast Mode and sprinkle on each side. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Throw it into my air fryer. I'm gonna flip, dab a little bit of oil now on this side, and then I'm gonna sprinkle again. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. That's it. I'm gonna sprinkle both sides. Now I'm gonna put it into the air fryer for 9 to 10 minutes on 375. My fish is all done. Now lunch, I'm gonna get a scale, put my plate on the scale, zero it out, turn it back on. I will then remove tilapia. It always flakes and breaks because it's so thin. I'm gonna do 3 ounces. The rest I'm going to save for dinner and tomorrow. I'm going to pair my fish with an entire bag of riced cauliflower. This is 3 servings, which is 60 calories. I'm gonna put it on top of my fish. I'm a huge fan of ranch dressing. I'm going to dab a little bit on top, but first, I'm gonna put it on the scale, I'm gonna zero it out, and I'm gonna read the back. It says 2 tablespoons is 30 milligrams. So I'm gonna do 15 and just switch my scale to grams and just ever so lightly, I'm going to drizzle, boom, there you go. And then I'm gonna log into the First Form food tracking app, and I'm gonna log all this in. Like and follow for over 40 women's fitness tips. Let me know what else you wanna see next.